Hey guys, welcome to Education Hub. So guys, today we are going to discuss one chapter from class 10th biology and chapter is life processes. So guys, basically we have done few parts of the chapter in our 3 videos, and in today's videos we are going to discuss about pathway of respiration and structure of alveoli. So let's begin. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about pathway of travel of gases in our respiratory system. So in general we are going to discuss how the air travels in our respiratory system, right? So guys, here I have prepared one flowchart for you so that you can easily understand what is basic pathway for your transfer of gases, right? So see, basically your transfer of gases starts from nostril. Nostril is your outer nose axis, the two pores which you see on your noses. So that is your nostril. After nostril, your air passes through nasal passage. Nasal passage is your center part of nose, right? And this central part is narrow-like structure after your openings on nose. So that opening is followed by a hollow rod-like pathway that is called as your nasal passage. After nasal passage comes your nasal cavity. Nasal cavity is basically the end part of your nose which later joins your windpipe, right? So you can, in general, you can also say that your nasal cavity consists of your nostril and nasal passage. So these all together forms your nasal cavity, right? So this is what your nasal cavity is. After nasal cavity is your pharynx, and after pharynx is your larynx. These pharynx and larynx are very important structures because they are located just after your nasal cavity. Your nasal cavity is located above pharynx and larynx, and these pharynx and larynx are your starting point for your windpipe. After your larynx comes your trachea. This is your actual windpipe, which is in biological term known as trachea. After this trachea, your bronchi appear. Bronchi is what? This is your bronchi. Bronchi is your division of trachea into two. See, here I am telling you, this is your trachea, right? This is your straight-like structure. When it divides into two and enters into your both the lungs, both left and right lungs, so it is something appears like this, right? So this is what? This is your bronchi. This red structure, this is your bronchi, right? It means you can also say that when your trachea divides into two sub-arteries or in subdivisions to enter your both the lungs, it is called as your bronchi. After bronchi comes your lungs. Now these bronchi are divided into bronchioles. Bronchioles means your bronchi structure divides into tiny basically lines or tubes. See, these are your bronchioles, BR, right? So these bronchioles are fine vein-like structures which are sub-constituent part of your bronchi. And after your bronchioles come your last and the very important structure for your respiratory system, which is your alveoli. Your alveoli is very important structure, and you have to clearly understand the structure of your alveoli. Alveoli is basically your important structure for respiratory system in human beings. It is because यहाँ पर आपका एक्चुअल एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस होता है. इट मीन्स कि ये जितना भी स्ट्रक्चर मैंने आपको बताया अभी ट्रैवल ऑफ एयर का, पाथवे फॉर ट्रैवल ऑफ एयर, ये सिर्फ पाथवे, यहाँ पे कोई भी एक्सचेंज नहीं होता है। जब एयर हमारी सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स को क्रॉस करके कहाँ पहुँचती है, एल्वुलाई में पहुँचती है। सो दीज एल्वुलाई आर योर रियल साइट फॉर एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस, राइट। सो अगर आपसे कोई भी पूछ रहा है कि व्हाट इज योर रियल स्ट्रक्चर फॉर गैसेस एक्सचेंज इन ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, so your answer will always be alveoli, right? So now see guys, we are going to discuss about structure of alveoli. Structure of alveoli is very important because it is your actual site for exchange of gases. So see, मैंने आपको अभी बताया है, और जब हम लोग रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पढ़ रहे थे मैंने तब भी बताया था कि एल्वुलाइज क्या होती हैं, बलून लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं। सो समथिंग दिस लाइक बलून इज समथिंग लाइक दिस, सो दिस इज योर एल्वुलाई। अगर हम एल्वुलस को जूम करके देखेंगे माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर, सो वी विल बी सीइंग दिस एल्वुलस इज योर ब्रेन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर and here is a very thin membrane. See, I am marking with the dotted red dots, right? Here is your thin membrane, and this membrane is in form of semi-permeable membrane, right? And this alveoli, your alveoli or alveolus, whatever you want to say, is highly supplied with the blood vessels, right? See, I am telling you how is your structure. See, this is your alveolus. Alveoli is this your in structure something like, right? And this is your bronchiole. Bronchioles are your subconstituent part of bronchus, right? So these are your bronchioles and this is your alveoli. Now you are seeing that this bronchioles are your connected to alveolus, right? So they are the smallest structures, they are smallest structure present in your body, right? बहुत सारे small structures हैं, but this is one of your smallest structure and they are present in millions में ये present होते हैं human body में, और they are such a small structures कि इनको naked eye से देखना बहुत ही impossible होता है. So you can only observe them under microscope, right? So see, now I am explaining you the structure. This is your round structure and this is your membrane, right? This is your membrane and this allows the exchange of gases. ये बिल्कुल thin skin sheet की तरीके होती है. Your skin sheet is very thin and generally ये skin sheet की तरीके बहुत सी पतली होती है, so that easily exchange of gases यहाँ से हो सके, राइट? सो ये तो बहुत ही इजी था कि हमने स्ट्रक्चर समझा मेम्ब्रेन. अब ये जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, यू आर सीइंग द ब्लड वेसल्स. सो दीज ब्लड वेसल्स आर आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज हम लोग ये चीज़ जानते हैं कि जनरली जो भी गैसेस होती हैं वो हमारे ब्लड में मिक्स होके वेरियस ऑर्गन्स, बॉडी टिश्यू, सेल्स या फिर जहाँ पे भी नेसेसरी होता है गैसेस का रिक्वायरमेंट वहाँ तक पहुँच रही हैं. सो बेसिकली जो हमारे ब्लड में हीमोग्लोबिन प्रेजेंट होता है, गैस उससे कंबाइन करती है, और जब गैस हीमोग्लोबिन से कंबाइन करती है तो क्या बनाती हैं, ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन बनाती है या कार्बो हीमोग्लोबिन बनाती है, ठीक है? So these are very important structures for you so that you can understand. So ये तो था कि हमारे ब्लड वेसल्स इसीलिए सप्लाई होती हैं जिससे कि जो भी हमारी गैस है वो इजीली ट्रांसफ़र हो सके ब्लड से एल्वुलस में और एल्वुलस से ब्लड में. और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन किसका होता है, इस मेम्ब्रेन का. मेम्ब्रेन का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर होता है और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फंक्शन होता है, बिकॉज दिस मेम्ब्रेन इज अलाउइंग द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. ठीक है. सो ये था आपका सिंपल सा स्ट्रक्चर एल्वुलस का. यू हैव टू इजली बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, क्योंकि बहुत ही इजी है, नथिंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट इन दिस, राइट. सो ये था हमारा एल्वुलस.
So that's all guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.